Hi, and welcome to your vocal warm-up for absolute beginners. If this is your first time, your first vocal warm-up, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the exercise very slowly. We will go step by step and you follow along. This is going to be a great vocal warm-up, helping you feel confident and get ready to sing. Let's start with the first exercise called humming. This is one of the best vocal exercises for beginners. Close your mouth gently and say hmm. Now feel the vibrations on your lips. Put your hand and say hmm. Hmm. Put your hand on your nose and say hmm. Hmm. Let's try it one more time. Hmm. 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 Perfect. Now that you feel the vibrations, the buzz, let's sing some notes. That's it. Just two notes, up and down. Let's begin, follow along. That's it. Perfect. You need to feel the vibrations. Perfect. Yes. Nice job. Keep the buzz on your lips. Very good. One more. Great job. As you hum higher in your range, you will start to use a different voice. Okay, we have chest voice, mixed, and head voice. We have falsetto and whistle, but not today. The sound is light. Okay, it's the key word here, light. Notice how the vibrations travel from here to here. You need to feel the vibrations on your lips to keep the sound forward in the mask. Okay, here. So keep that in mind. Let's begin the exercise. Okay, two notes up and down. Nice job. All right, next exercise, we're going to sing Miao to place the voice on 5 notes, up and back down. Follow along. Lips are moving. Meow. Meow. Very good. Keep going. Very nice. A few more. One more. One more. You can do this. What we are going to do next is lip trill. First thing first, what is a lip trill? A lip trill is when you close your lips and blow air through them, like this. And now we can add pitch. It really helps warm up your voice without tension. We are going to sing staccato, and it sounds like this. We're going to practice lip trills on arpeggios. Let's practice. Very good. Yes. Well done. Great. One more. Great. Now let's practice legato, letting your voice flow from one note to another. First, we sing lip trills, and then we switch to the vowel E, like this. You can do this. Here we go. Follow along. wonderful job. Be proud of yourself. You've made it this far. I think it's so important to warm up your voice. Please share this video with your friends, your family, anyone that you think will benefit from any of my vocal warm-ups, vocal workouts. If you want to get access to more vocal exercises, you can also follow me on Spotify. The link is down below. If you want to warm up those high notes, you can click on this video.